to my channel. My name is Kyla Treese and I'm back with another video. Now my hair is up because obviously I'm in the house and yeah, but she is so cute. This is the new, well, obviously it's not new, but I've been contemplating on buying this purse for a little minute and I was like, I want it. It was my anniversary. I'ma get it. It was my YouTube anniversary, so this is one of my YouTube anniversary presents that I gifted to myself. This is the Coach Terry Hobo bag and it is so cute. Look at the strap with the gold hardware, so you can wear it with like a cute little shoulder, right? Real cute. Or you can wear it crossbody. That's what this strap is for. I'm going to wear it shoulder. Okay, so let's fill her up. All right, let's fill her up. So I have this already. I've had this for like a year now. So let me just show you what's in here. I have my AirPods. I have my Milani lip gloss, my keys, my cards and stuff. Obviously I'm not gonna show that because y'all not finna get me. Okay, y'all not finna get me. It matches perfectly the signature. Okay, yes ma'am. All right, so let's fill her up. I love that she's a zip too. And so let me just see what I want to fit in here. Gotta have my to-go Lysol. Gotta have my Aquaphor. Gotta have my sunscreen stick. I gotta have my sunscreen stick. Okay, my sanitizer. Yes ma'am, we need the sanitizer. All right. I put my mirror in here. Okay, I will put, I think that's all. A scrunchie. My scrunchie can honestly go in the back zip part because it has a zipper compartment. And in here, wipes. Gotta have my wipes. My lotion we need. Okay, my mini lotion. And my taser that I'm not gonna show because, yeah. But I think that's all I want to carry in this bag, honestly. My Tylenol I'll put in here. I'm not gonna show that as well because, you know, I don't know. And yeah, so that's all I pretty much want to carry, and maybe a good little perfume. And yeah, that is it. That's pretty much, and it's still lightweight. Boom. Let me see what's in here that I want. Oh, my Tide pen. Can't forget my little Tide pen. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much all I would take with me. I got a lip gloss. I have a lip balm because that's very important. I have lotion, sanitizer, wipes. Yeah, that's pretty much all I would need. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And if I really want to, I could take my Aquaphor. And it's still not heavy. Yeah, I fuck with this. So yeah, y'all, that is my bag, nice and filled. Let me take the taser out so I can, okay, I'm gonna take the taser and the medicine out. The taser and the Tylenol, because the Tylenol is for when I start cramping, you know what I'm saying? And the taser is obviously for protection. But yeah, so that's how my bag looks in the inside. Really nice, really cute. Absolutely love. I'm gonna leave it crossbody for now. Actually, no. We'll take the crossbody off. Yeah, this is nice because I like having my bag on me. You know what I'm saying? I like having it on me. I'm gonna put the crossbody thing back on for when I go out, because sometimes I like my bag crossbody, sometimes I don't. It really just depends. But yeah, this is a really, really cute shoulder. I love the zip part and I love the compartment space. I'm going to put my taser back in here as well as my Tylenol. And yeah, this is my bag. It's not heavy at all. I love it so much. This is the Terry Hobo. Really, really cute. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love my new purse and I like this strap. I like that it's not thin. It's very, very wide. It's wide, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's so cute. All right, y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.